What's up, guys? This is Kyle. Welcome back to That Garden's Garage. I want to talk to you about my new drift notchback. So obviously you guys seen the last video, we took it up mountain drifting. Got a bunch of stuff to do to it before we take it back out there, but it's an 89 notchback, obviously 5.0 5 speed. Let me correct myself, but we've done a whole bunch of stuff to it since we've owned it. I've actually freaking people all gassing right on me. Why they got to gas? Keep your fucking shit moving. So I get that from time to time. Every time anybody sees me doing anything on any of my freaking projects or filming, somebody's got to act a fool, drive freaking erratic or something. They pulled to the side, gassed it a bunch. I walked in the garage, they slowly pulled off because they couldn't see me filming. Fucking people are weird. Anyways, on the notch, I put a new clutch in it. I've done a rear main seal on the actual motor. What else? I've painted these sweet ass rims, right? Painted the rims all the way around. I did a little stick out on the exhaust pipes. The exhaust was leaking so bad. I went through the entire exhaust system. We got some freshies on there, boys. Just the rear tires. We're actually taking it out this Sunday, so stay tuned for that video. We're taking it out to Outlaw Drifts Father's Day weekend, so we're gonna be getting some more action. I just want to make sure I get this video out here for you guys. We're gonna be putting a roll cage in it. I might be picking up a roll cage either this Saturday or on Monday, so depending on where the guy is at with me buying it. What else? I gotta get some harnesses. I actually got a buddy who's probably gonna watch this. Mike, what's up, brother? He's hooking me up with some harnesses for this car. What else? I gotta get seats. We're getting ready to put some KYB shocks in it. So before we go out to the Outlaw Drifts, like I said, we got some brand new freshies. We're putting some new shocks in it. And then you guys see the fuel tank out right here. So let me grab this sucker right here. We obviously did some quick repair. Right there, right there. It has three, if I can freaking put my fingers up, 3 locations where somebody actually drilled through the trunk into the tank. So we did a quick JB Weld freaking steel repair. We're gonna cross our fingers and see how that goes. If not, we're just gonna buy a new tank. But I wanted to at least try a little quick $12 repair before I spend 112 bucks. So, you know what I mean? Try to save myself 100 bucks. We'll see, because I always just dump that right into tires instantly, right? So we're gonna get these shocks installed. I got some fuel for the car. Probably not gonna get to the fuel tank, excuse me, today. I got a few days before we go drifting, so let's get to it, guys. Boom, just like that. Got the new shocks in, got the old crusties out. Man, guys, they weren't even working. I was probably riding on only the spring under that car. So not sure if you can see them. Fresh. I did a little freaking push on the car and it's just soaking up the bumps way more, so that is a lot better. New tires, new shocks. While I got the hood open, I want to show you guys a few things. Clean the air filter, cleaned the whole intake. I put new spark plugs, changed the oil, put a new battery tray. This thing was crusty, smoked. I'm gonna eventually switch to E-fans. Obviously this shroud right here has seen better days. So under the hood needs a little bit of work, but we're gonna get to it. The car, I believe, already has, I can tell it has a 5 lug swap, but I believe it's out of a SN95 rear end. Dude told me it had the 411 gears. It's obviously got a welded diff. I know it has a welded diff, but let me take you over here. If you look under cover number 1, I got it all booby trapped. Boom. That is a Curry 9-inch with freaking 411 gears, spool. It's got the 33 spline axles. It's got Ford brakes already. It's got 6 lug. I'm gonna have to swap that, and then we're gonna have to shorten 3 inches on this side, 3 inches on that side. Excuse me. But I got all kinds of projects going on. This is to my Mustang. My Mustang. This is going in the Mustang. This is to my Camaro. Camaro you guys might not know about too well, but it is a built Curry 9-inch with 411 gears. Obviously you guys see right there, it has no fluid in it, so we can still cut the axles down, swap the freaking flanges. Boys, this car right here, roll cage, everything is gonna be a freaking race car. So like I said, we're gonna be taking out this weekend. We're just doing quick upgrades real quick. We're gonna go coilovers, probably QA1, torque box, all that good stuff. These are 18-inch wheels. I wanna go down to 17s, not fill up that wheel well so much with rim. I'd rather have a little more tire. So like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Subscribe guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this drift notchback. We're about to go rip it this weekend. Stay tuned for that video. Like, subscribe. We'll see you.